Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud migration with Rackspace, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current infrastructure. Determine which applications and data you need to migrate. Identify any dependencies that may affect the migration process. Set clear goals for your cloud migration. Choose the appropriate Rackspace cloud solution for your needs. Engage with Rackspace Cloud Advisors for expert guidance. Develop a comprehensive migration plan outlining timelines and resources. Consider security and compliance requirements during the planning stage. Create a detailed inventory of your assets to be migrated. Back up all data before starting the migration process. Test your current applications in a controlled environment. Choose a migration strategy such as lift and shift or refactoring. Use Rackspace tools and resources to facilitate the migration. Migrate data in phases to minimize disruption. Monitor the migration process closely for any issues. Conduct thorough testing on applications post-migration. Ensure that all security measures are in place after moving to the cloud. Provide training for your team on the new environment. Gather feedback from stakeholders to identify any improvement areas. Review and optimize your cloud environment for better performance. Document lessons learned to improve future migration efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.